Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my channel, Time to Cook. I'm Chef Christy. So today I'm going to make a delicious side dish. I am making Italian green beans with potatoes, and oh my gosh, this one is a good one. I have a pork tenderloin in my oven right now. It's a Dijon brown sugar pork tenderloin. You will want to go check out that video so you can see just how to make it. But these green beans are perfect any time of year. They're full of flavor. They're so easy to make. So let me show you what you will need to make your Italian green beans with potatoes. So you will need 1 can of green beans and 1 can of diced tomatoes, a half of a pound of the baby potatoes, and I will be cutting these in half, 1 sweet onion that I have sliced, 1 garlic clove, and 1 slice of bacon that I have cut into small pieces. And then my seasoning is a half of a teaspoon of oregano, basil, and thyme, but you could just use Italian seasoning, and then also some salt and pepper. In a medium-sized sauce pot, I'm going to add my green beans, and I'm going to add my diced tomatoes, and I'm going to add my sliced onions, and the bacon. Next, I'm going to add my potatoes, and I'm going to mince 1 garlic clove. I'm going to add my seasoning, and I'm going to add a half of a teaspoon of salt and a half of a teaspoon of black pepper. And I also filled up the tomato can with water, and I'm going to pour that over. And I'm going to let these cook for about 20 minutes or until those potatoes are nice and tender. What a beautiful bowl of Italian green beans with tomatoes. Oh, these are so, so good. Delicious. So I really do hope that you give these Italian green beans with potatoes a try. They are so easy to make, and they are all so delicious. Well, thank you all so much for watching. Have a fantastic day, and as always, I will see you soon with more recipes. These are not just your average green beans. No,